Rice, a multicultural staple and a tale as old as time.
Not a word, Lundy, not one word.
We're here to say that regeneratively grown rice is officially on the scene, and you should definitely swap out your conventional stuff for the good stuff. Let's dig in. Many historians believe that rice was grown as far back as 5000 BC, with origins in China and India. So how did it get to the States? It's estimated that it entered the States around 1685, when captured West African women on ships headed to South Carolina put seeds from various crops in their hair to carry with them. In Roots of Repair in Regenerate Volume 2, Emma Fox discussed that when rice became commoditized, these women went unnoticed for being responsible in making Charleston, South Carolina, a rice capital of the world. Organizations like Jubilee Justice are doing incredible work in changing this through helping descendants of Africans reclaim rice and benefit from the crop's entire value chain. Nowadays, the U.S. rice scene is predominantly in California. According to the USDA, California now grows almost 75% of the crop. Rice is a semi-aquatic crop and grows in these things called rice paddies, which are flooded fields. You could imagine how important it is to have incredible water holding capacity. Enter regeneration. Practicing regenerative rice farming is generating more rice from less land, preserving valuable genetic diversity, saving hundreds of thousands of gallons of water, promoting long-term soil health, and removing greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. So we've read about 2 California-based rice brands that are on their way to regenerative. Lotus Foods, a major rice supplier, is officially giving regenerative a whirl. They were one of the 19 brands selected to test out the regenerative organic certified standards. Next up, Lundberg Family Farms has launched regenerative organic certified rice, available for purchase on April 4th, and aims to certify all of their organic rice by 2027. We're excited to see more brands hop on board, not just because it's the cool thing to do, but because it's the rice thing to do.
Right.
So vote with your dollar and look out for that R.O.C certified label. Purchase it, tell your friends, and rock on. Get it? Like R.O.C, rock on.